Hello everyone, this is PTP. This is a demo how you can control your EZB and maybe IoT need sound amplifier. You can get control over it, enabling or disabling the amplifier through the scripting. This idea came from an issue reported by Marty that he couldn't control the noise he was getting on the amplifier through the related to the Wi-Fi interference. So this solution is basically gives you the control over the amplifier. Okay, I'll show first how it works, and then later I can show how I did it in another video. Okay, so first the screen is the camera is pointing to the screen, so I'll connect EZB. Okay, it's connected.
I have successfully connected to your network.
So now I'll connect it to the EZB. Okay, and I'll start playing some. I'll play MP3 and whenever I want. So I will disable now the amplifier. The sound amplifier is disabled, so there is no sound. I will enable again. Yeah, so gone again. I'll stop here. I'll try the text to speech. So disable, enable. Okay, let's see again. Okay, see, it's disabled, doesn't interfere with whatever it is working, and then you can enable whenever you want. So the idea is that, for example, you can use this script to enable or disable the amplifier after you are done. For example, you can make a text-to-speech and then disable the amplifier because you don't need it anymore. Or you can play a song, and in the end of playing a song, you can stop it, the amplifier. This is very simple. Basically, I'll show you the details, but the hardware or the change. Basically, through a port, I disable the amplifier. So in this particular case, I'm using the port T23, but can be another port. And this is for disable, and this is for enable. Okay, it's the same thing. Let me focus here on the camera. Okay, so you see here enable. So what this means from the EZB point of view. Okay, I'll do another one that I need to refocus the camera to the EZB, but I'll put the EZB the camera facing the EZB. So only to give a little bit more detail. You see here the cable that is connected to port T23. So connecting this cable from EZB without any extra hardware, and using, of course, it's T23, but you can use it another port. Okay, once you have that cable connected, you can use scripting to control the amplifier. So you can shut down the amplifier or enable it to start amplifying the sound. So I believe that disabling the amplifier will cut down the noise when it's not being used by EZB to output the sound. Okay, that's it. if this is helpful, I'll make another video showing what I did to get this cable outside from EZB to outside to be used in this context. Okay, thanks guys.